Hi, I'm Andrew with 5-Star Doors. And this video is of a residential garage door using high lift garage door tracks and a Liftmaster 8500 jackshaft garage door opener. This has great benefits for a homeowner that wants to install a car lift inside the garage or utilize the height of their ceilings. This video is to help you choose what's best for you in your home. This video is an example of the work that 5-Star Doors can do for you. Remember, quality comes from experience. Please visit our website or call for additional information. And please like and subscribe to our video. Thank you. Are you filming?
We're filming.
This is an example of work 5-Star Doors can do for you. Remember, quality comes with experience.
You gotta mention the website.